Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Attendix from the 2022 Wave 7. We have Kyle Busch's Dewalt Next Gen car. On the back, you can get other cars like Joey Logano's Pennzoil, Shell Pennzoil, Ryan Blaney's Worth car, and many more in this wave. Let's get Kyle Busch out of his box. So first we got the sticker, which looks a lot similar to Christopher Bell's one, except now it has the Dewalt, Kyle Busch's name, and a silver 18. And here is the car. So Kyle Busch's Dewalt car looks really similar to Christopher Bell. Right here is actually a camera right here that's just been painted on. Sorry if it got blurry. It has a similar scheme to Christopher Bell with the nice yellow, the Dewalt logo, and obviously on the side, you got a silver 18, the Dewalt logo. On here, you got Ream, M&M's, which dropped out last year, and a sponsor called RDO. I'm not sure what that is, maybe a tooling company. On the back is similar to Christopher Bell, the Dewalt. In fact, I'll bring out Christopher Bell. So yeah, here we have Christopher Bell's Dewalt car. And like I said, it's very similar. Oh, except for the top part, which is a white 18, and Christopher Bell's is a silver 20. Yeah, obviously the number difference. On the side, you got Ream and all these other sponsors down here, while Kyle Busch has Interstate Batteries, Ream, and M&M's on the side of the car, and Christopher Bell doesn't. They both got the Dewalt logo on top, although the Dewalt logo on here is really horrible. I mean, really horrible. But still, it is a good looking car, although they both are the same, except two different drivers and the same sponsor. Now, Interstate Bat. Also, Martin Truex Jr. does have a similar car to this, I think. I'll give you a close-up look on Kyle Busch's car. And I think that'll conclude today's video. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.